Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. I've got yet another haul video for you guys. I promise there's not much more to go, but you know, Black Friday, gotta spend a little more because everything is such a great deal. I hope you guys did some shopping too. So anyway, this one is from Simple Stories and I got the Christmas box warehouse sale. And it showed 3 different collections that were in this, but I did see Tiffany's haul video unboxing hers, and there was a couple of other like surprises in here that she wasn't expecting. So I am looking forward to seeing what exactly I got in this Christmas warehouse box. So other than the 3 collections that they showed, I have no idea what's in here. I don't know if it's papers or chipboard or whatever. I mean, I can see a little bit, but that's as far as I know. So let's unbox this together and find out what goodies I got in the Christmas warehouse box sale. Okay, so I'm gonna take everything out. And first up, we got a little thank you saying we love our Simple Stories customers. And it just tells you like their information on the back. Also, this warehouse box was $50, but it did not include shipping. Shipping was so expensive, guys, though. I think shipping was like $17, I want to say. It was not cheap by any means. And I'm hoping I got my money's worth in here. Like, what I like about the warehouse box sales from Echo Park is that they do $50 free shipping, and you definitely get more than this. But Simple Stories does $50 plus shipping, and it always has to go priority mail. And yeah, or not priority mail, but they send it UPS. So it's not cheap, guys. Okay, but we got, first things first, we got these Snap Basics. Okay, that's something I wasn't expecting at all. So we got that. And it's just got these letters, alpha letters, stickers, and numbers. So I could always use that on any project. They're not like foam or anything. They're just stickers. So there's that. I got this Jingle All the Way collection chipboard frames. So those are going to come in handy. I don't really get these. I got some in my recent haul video, I think from a Cherry on Top, but I've never like purchased these separately. So these were in here. I've seen people use them in like albums and things. I just never bought them. This I think I do have, or maybe have used. I did use the Winter Farmhouse collection this year and created a project with it. So I do see some chipboard stickers from that. I hope there's that collection in here because I'm not sure if I have more paper in my stash, but then again, who knows? I probably do because I just don't know what's in my stash. Okay, here's a Holly Berry stencil. That is cute. Will I ever use this? Highly unlikely unless I get into mixed media. I really just don't know what to do with stencils. Like, I just have no clue. So, yeah, I'm not like a big paint person, or I don't know. I don't know how to use them. So, but it's a cute stencil and perfect for the holidays if I was into that, or if I'm ever inspired to use it if I don't destash it first. I also got these stamps, and this is also from the Winter Farmhouse collection. You got a little snowman. It says there's snow one like you, a flower, coffee cup, warm winter wishes, let it snow, hello winter, sending warm hugs, some mittens, a bird, little house scene. You melt my heart. I love that, and feeling frosty is so cute. Cuddle up and stay cozy. Those are cute. I like the sentiments in stamps. I do sometimes use them. Still kind of rare, but I do use those more than I use stencils because I've never used a stencil before yet. I got these simple vintage North Pole snap cards. So that was in here. I think the 3 collections that it showed was this one, the simple vintage North Pole, the Winter Farmhouse, and possibly Jingle All the Way. I think that's the 3 that it showed, but I'm seeing some other ones. That's like a Disney one right there. So that wasn't in the photo. But anyway, here is some snap cards. I love me some snap cards, and I'm so happy. I also got this one. I used up all of mine. I had this. I used mine up, so I'm so happy to have another. But here are the cards that come on the back. You guys know I love my cut aparts, and these are basically that. They're cut aparts, and I just use them all the time. So this was the vintage one. And then this is the Jingle All the Way. And here's the cards on the back. They are ivory, but still awesome, like, sentiments on them, and they're just so fun to use. So you get all of those cards in here. Then I also got these decorative brads from the Jingle All the Way collection. I don't have these. And these are like just stick-on brads, so you could use them basically on whatever. And then you got some chipboard on the bottom, and they come in different sizes, so that's fun. Then I got these number bits. I think I also have another pack of this somewhere, but we got another one, I guess. So there's that. Then there's also Jingle All the Way journal bits. So this comes with like little journal pieces and ephemera. Mostly like little journal spaces, tags, and little cut aparts, and just like note spaces that you could journal on. And then there's also this one, which is the Happy Kids Bits and Pieces from the Say Cheese Christmas collection. So it's like a Disney themed Christmas collection. I hope I have that Christmas paper in here somewhere. I'm not seeing it though, so it's a possibility that there is none, and I'm not entirely sure how to use those. But then I also got these washi tapes, and this one says ho ho ho. That one's actually kind of cute. This one kind of looked like a spider web to me at first, but I guess you could use this and then color in that mistletoe and color it green with some Copic markers. You could definitely do that and just use it on a card. Oh, and there's this one too. This one is like a vintagey one. Okay, so 3 washi tapes. I'm seeing some dies. Oh, are these coordinating? No, this is Holly Jolly. Oh, these might be coordinating. These two. Those are! That's the deer. This is the snowman. The presents here. Oh, let me show you guys that. Okay, so we got some stamps and a coordinating die set from the Holly Jolly collection from Simple Stories. You got You Warm My Heart, Merry and Bright, Happy Holidays, Joy to the World. Got this deer, tree, Santa, presents. And this is the tree, the Santa, the presents. Not sure. That might be this holly thing. The snowman, a heart, which is right here. Snowflake, and yeah, so you definitely got that. That's fun. I like when it has at least coordinating dies, so I don't have to resort to my pick scan mat to cut it out for me. But I do have a brother, not a brother scan and cut. Do I have a brother scan and cut? Yes, I do. I do, right? I think I do. I have a brother scan and cut. I just haven't opened it out of the box yet. They've got it for me for my birthday, and it's been sitting in a box because I just have nowhere to put it. Oh my gosh, this is cute though. I've never seen the Peace on Earth collection from Simple Stories. And wow, this is thick. Oh, wait, this is confusing. Okay, so let me show you guys this because I've never seen this before. So this is the Peace on Earth collection by Simple Stories. This comes with, it says 38 pieces. I'm guessing it's just these 6 sheets, or no, 2 sheets of each 3 double-sided paper. So I guess this is 1 sheet, 1 sheet, and 1 sheet, and you get 2 sheets of each, so a total of 6. Okay, so, oh, got stuck. All right, there's that cover piece. So you get this design here, and I'm assuming it's that green background on the back. Yep, so you get 2 of these. You get 2 of these. This has the plaid with like those like red outlined flowers on the back side. And then this one's got cut aparts here, like Peace on Earth, Oh Come Let Us Adore Him, Noel, Wise Men Still Seek Him, Joy to the World, True Love Was Born in a Stable. And then this is the back. So you could create a couple of projects with this as well. And then you get like this little sticker sheet to go with that. I've never seen that collection before, and I like how it's not like too like religious, so I feel like I could still make something with that. And like, guys, I know that Christmas is a religious holiday to begin with. It's just the way that people celebrate it isn't oftentimes religious. It's just like celebrated because it's Christmas, but yeah. Okay, so then this is the Holly Jolly collection, but it seems like there's some other stuff in here as well. So this is kind of thick, so I'm just gonna open this up. All right, and okay, it says Holly Jolly, but it's also, yeah, Holly Jolly. So this is like coordinating with this. So here we've got this paper. This is Holly Jolly, and this is the back side. Then we got another one with the back side. All Holly Jolly so far. This is a plaid with snowflakes. We got polka dots and presents, gingerbread cookies, and this like grid plaid kind of thing. Then we got this like scene here, and snowflakes, florals, and this plaid. Then we got some stripes, and then this one, 2x2 cut aparts, and these florals. Then we got 3x4 cut aparts, and then stripes. Then we got 4x4 cut aparts, and the back side is these stripes. Then we got 4x6 cut aparts, and that's what that looks like. And then this is the back side. So that is the Holly Jolly, and then next up I'm seeing the Simple Vintage North Pole. There's just like no cover sheet for that, but there's a Simple Vintage North Pole, which goes with these snap cards here. So you get the 4x6 cut aparts. These are actually really cute, and these stripes on the back. Oh, I guess I only have one of these because that's the Vintage North Pole. Then this is the Jingle All the Way collection, which goes with the other snap cards. I guess it's mixed in. And then there's 2x2s. And then we're back to the Vintage North Pole here with 4x4 cut aparts and this paper on the back. And then we're back to Jingle All the Way. Oh my gosh, this is confusing. And then it's North Pole again. Okay, back to Jingle All the Way. So this goes with this one. It's 3x4 cut aparts. They're so cute. I love these. Simple Vintage North Pole. You got that one big kind of layout. And the back side with these polka dots. So that goes with this one. Jingle All the Way again. That goes with this. Snowflakes and these florals. Still Jingle All the Way here. You got these florals and like this red design. Jingle All the Way with these bottle brush trees and this green on the back. Jingle All the Way still with this plaid or like buffalo check pattern and these poinsettias on the back. Then we're back to the Simple Vintage North Pole, and it's a sticker sheet. So that goes with that. And then here we have just like a random Simple Vintage Christmas here sticker sheet. So from the Jingle All the Way collection, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets. So there's that. From the Simple Vintage North Pole, I got 1, 2, 3 sheets. And then the Holly Jolly, I don't know, I don't feel like this was that awesome, but 1, 2, 3, this one had a lot. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That one was the whole collection kit for the Holly Jolly. So Holly Jolly collection kit. We got some of the Jingle All the Way, a few pieces of Simple Vintage North Pole, but all these extras, I mean, we did get all of these extra goodies, lots of ephemera, and you got some dies and stamps, which are generally pretty expensive. We got some stencils and chipboard. And then I know these photo frames are pretty pricey also. So, I mean, the value is there for the $50. I'm not sure if it's worth it with the additional shipping cost. That makes it super pricey. But overall, I'm still happy with it because I love Christmas and I know I will find a use for it. So I'm still happy with that. Alright guys, so that is it for my Simple Stories haul video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!